These students are preparing for their future, but with some very special help. They are participating in a program that Alexis Dorman calls
CAFER, Career Aid for Young Immigrants and Refugees.
Alexis is founder and CEO of CAFER. She's also a high school junior. 3 years ago, she recognized the need to offer empowerment and encouragement to newly arrived immigrant and refugee students.
I found a niche for helping refugees and immigrants in schools and really guiding them through their educational career so that they're more equipped for higher education and a career in the future.
CAFER is a multifaceted program designed to help students as they make their way in their new surroundings.
I have 5 main subject matters: employability, application of knowledge, education skills, life skills, and then general overview workshops.
Vista Lakes Elementary Principal Christy Key has seen the positive effect that Alexis's lesson have had on her school's immigrant population.
Kids are excited when they know it's time to have a workshop. She gives opportunities for the students to do activities such as setting goals, speaking in front of their peers, building relationships with other people. It's almost just natural to her if she gets eye to eye with the kids and she talks to them like she's one of them.
Together with her group of volunteers, Alexis offers her program in several workshop formats. It's a program that looks to the future while respecting each student's heritage. A program with a light bulb logo lighting the way to a world full of new possibilities.
The light bulb stands for an idea. We want to really foster new creative ideas and originalities. We want them to spread awareness about their culture and heritage and really be proud of where they came from.